how to fix folder can't open with double click issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So is your folder not opening with double click? Then it might definitely be your mouse issue. So to check if it is a mouse issue, you need to go to the search option on the taskbar and search for system, and then go to settings and then open it. Now, once you open your settings, go to Bluetooth and devices on the left hand side, and then scroll down and you'll find mouse there. Tap on it, and then there you'll see mouse pointer speed. So if it is the slider is set to the maximum, then it might be the issue here. So try to drag the slider back to like 10, and then check. Now it might start working. However, if it still doesn't work, then it might be hardware issue, and you might need to change your mouse and even get your laptop updated. And that's it. I hope it helps you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.